Libraria allows you to manage all your translations in one place. Let's find out how to start working on the projects and manage them. Firstly, create a new project and fill in all required fields, such as name, description, and languages. Open the project card to see project details and to create a new term. Fill in a term key and translations. You can also generate translations with the integrated ChatGPT assistant. Go to Overview to discover project statistics. Open Settings to easily manage project languages, delete or add new ones. For general configurations, open Project Settings. Here you can change project avatar, edit project name, and change project description. Go to Users to manage the project team. Add a new member by filling in a user email, name. Click Send. You can invite more users the same way. To remove users, click 3 points and choose Unsubscribe. You can also delete projects. Go to the project settings and click Delete. Go global faster with Libraria.